is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off MacBook internal mic. Before you get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The Apple MacBook series laptop feature built-in microphone that enable you to record audio in certain applications. The microphones is also useful when talking on the client for or customer via video chat. If you accidentally leave the microphone on can it can pick up and record unwanted sound on the computer. If you don't want the microphone to record audio, you can mute it by turning the volume all the way down. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can just go to sound, this one, and you can go to input, click on input, and you'll find on the input volume. If you want to mute it, if you want to turn off the internal microphone, you can just turn this volume to the left. And if you want to enable it, you want to turn on again on your internal microphone, you can just slide it to the right like this. And so that is here's how you can mute or turn off your internal microphone on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn off internal microphone on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.